Hello guys, welcome back to this video, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can install Grammarly extension. Just click on those three buttons and then you'll have to click on extension, and as you can see you'll have to click on manage extensions from here. Then you'll have to search for which application do you want the extension. I personally am going to search for Grammarly. There, as you can see, there are a lot of other stuffs you can install as extensions. I'm going to click on Grammarly and click on add extension. Then as you can see, it's being downloaded. I'm going to add the Grammarly extension on my toolbar as well, because whenever I'm writing on Microsoft Word or on Google Doc, it just blinks and shows me that I have made some errors, so it's more beneficial that way. So that's it, you have successfully installed your Grammarly extension. Just follow these steps and I hope that it helped you. Thank you for watching guys. Please be sure to like and subscribe.